Just set up in my shop, not on the ice. Here's a look at this ice fishing, kind of low, maybe like 5.5 foot high, insulated rig. These are the pull points. There's one on each side, one on the top. Basically, to assemble this thing, you don't have to fit a bunch of stakes in there. You just have to walk around, yank on the pull points, and it's all sprung out, springs out. It does have a flanger on the base. I would weight that with something, ice, snow, whatever, just to keep wind from coming in the sides. And though it's pretty sealed, you can also open up the windows. There's even one of these guys up top. It opens from the inside and the outside if you want top ventilation, or if you want to run some ventilation smokestack out the top. As for getting into this guy, it's got a couple of rather small doors. So the doors kind of run like this. They're on the corners. This is the other one around the other side. So once you get inside, it's kind of like you expect, you know, not huge and roomy like your cabin back in Alaska, but there's that roof vent up top. You can Velcro out. That is the door. That is the window. Here's an example of one of the doors on the sides. And these are the fiberglass cross pieces, X's on each side of the wall and up on top. They kind of form the structure. It's got some insulation. This is your square footage down here. It's about, I would say, like 5 by 5, 25 square feet for you to drill your hole or holes, set up a chair, and get to work. It'll keep you out of the wind, keep you relatively warm. I'm not going to say toasty. It does have a couple layers here and folds down into that bag that's inside.